morning, and welcome to Real Life News. News for the real life community. Please join us after service today for potluck. Everyone is welcome. Operation Exodus is getting ready to begin a 9-week prayer training. Sign up at the table at the back. Sessions will begin this Wednesday night. For more information, please see Marsha Wyatt. Lance and Tiffany, two of our members here at Real Life Church, would like to invite you to their wedding, January 24th at 2 p.m., here at Real Life Church. There will be a potluck reception following the ceremony, so please bring your favorite dish or finger food. For more information, or if you would like to help, please see Paula Monroe. If you are new to Real Life Church, we would like to get to know you better. Join us next Sunday after service for Newcomers Coffee. Now for a quick glance to February. February 3rd, Pioneer Home Life Group will be meeting. For more information, please see Phil Sargent. February 7th, Men's Breakfast will be meeting. For more information, please see Ed Ackerman. And a special Save the Day on February 14th for the women of Real Life Church. Men's Ministry will be putting on a special ladies' brunch here at Real Life Church at 10 a.m. Ladies, leave the kids at home and just be able to come, relax, and enjoy fellowship with other ladies. A quick update from the youth department. January 28th, we'll be heading over to Church on the Rock with Scylla for a special One Youth Network rally. Meet here at Real Life Church at 6 p.m., and we will return here at 9 p.m. February 7th is our second annual ski trip to Alyeska Resort. There is a slight change from what the permission slip says. We will be meeting at 7:30 now at the Park and Ride next to Trunk Road and the highway. Cost is $75 for transportation and the lift ticket. If you need to rent gear, it is an additional $35. Pack a lunch or bring extra money for lunch. For both events, students need a signed permission slip. Those can be found at the connecting table in the lobby. You asked, we delivered. Online giving is now available. Go to reallifeak.org. Click on the online giving. Click here to donate. A new tab will open. Then proceed to fill out the form. For more information, please join our email list or find us on Facebook. Thank you.